Slant Tweezers, Tweezer Guru Professional Stainless Steel Slant Tip Tweezer. The best precision eyebrow tweezers for your daily beauty routine. Guaranteed clearer, smoother, beautiful skin. Say goodbye to pesky stray hairs with these precision tweezers. You will notice a dramatic difference in performance compared to store-bought tweezers. Perfect gift for her or him. Give your loved ones the gift of a beautiful pair of modern, sleek tweezers that will make them throw their old ones out. Stress-free beauty routine. Say goodbye to the frustration of your old eyebrow tweezers and marvel at the perfectly aligned tips of your new Tweezer Guru tweezers. Perfectly calibrated tension for more control and a stress-free tweezing ritual. Quality that lasts a lifetime. Stainless steel slant tip design that is durable and easy to clean. You will never need another pair of tweezers. From a trusted family brand, these slant tip tweezers are brought to you by the makers of Tweezer Guru Pointed Tweezers for ingrown hair, a 5-star rated pair of professional tweezers.